This video is from Success Convent, Melachevil, Tirunelveli, Tamil Nadu. Today I am going to take a book back exercise for lesson 3. Name of the lesson, Our Neighbors. Our Neighbors, Social Studies, lesson number 3. Name of the lesson, Our Neighbors, page number 12. Page number 72. Page number 72. You can see there, multiple choice question. Tick the correct options. Which of the following is closest to the earth? A. The sun. B. The polar star. C. The moon. D. None of this. So which will be the right answer? C. The moon is the right answer. The moon is the closest to the earth. Next, number 2, which of the following statements is true? The sun does not have light. The moon does not have its own light. The earth is a satellite. All of these. So, which of the following statement is true? The moon does not have its own light. So, B is right one. Next, the dash is the brightest star in the sky. The dash is the brightest star in the sky. A. South Star. B. Great Bear. C. Polar Star. D. Scorpius. So, Polar Star is the brightest star in the sky. I ticked here. Next, fourth. Which one of the following statement is true about the earth? Which one is true about earth? The earth is a planet. The sun, the moon and the stars are the neighbors of the earth. C. The earth has life. D. All of these. So which is the right answer? These three also is the right answer. So all of these, D is the right answer. Next one, what is at the center of the solar system? What is the center of the solar system? Okay. A. The earth. B. The stars. C. The constellations. D. The sun. Which is the center of the solar system? The sun is the center of the solar system. The sun is the center of the solar system. Number 6. What does the sun gives us? Everybody knows sun gives us heat, energy, light. So A. Heat, B. Energy, C. Light, D. All of this. So all of these. So all the things, heat, energy, light. So all of this is the right answer. Next one, match the following. Column 1. Heavenly bodies that move around the sun. Heavenly bodies that move around planets. The earth's natural satellite. Energy of the sun. Twinkle in the sky. Stars that form groups of different shapes. So number 1. Heavenly bodies that move around the sun is planets. Next one, heavenly bodies that move around planets are satellites. The earth's natural satellites are moon. Energy of the sun is solar energy. Twinkle in the sky, everybody knows. What is twinkling in the sky? Stars. Number 5, stars. Stars that form groups of different shapes. 6th one, constellations. Okay. Now today's homework, this multiple choice question and match the following. You have to read one time. You have to read one time of this lesson, Our Neighbors. Thank you. And write neatly one time on your classwork note. Thank you.